Alright, this is Baldwin Beast. This is 62198. One of the most beautiful and best quality Baldwin Tilson birds I've bred and held on to here. He's going to be made available. He's right off of Slayer and Athena, and he's full sibling to super bird that was in the Hoosier, that was in the tragic fire, that was doing very well right up until the fire. But take a look at this bird. He's outstanding. Very tight feathered. He's got all the qualities you would want in a breeder. Super balance. Look at his balance. Outstanding eye sign. Very good dilation. Silky feathering. What a bird.